Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to double your investment portfolio with MarketDash.io, and what an amazing day for it. I was literally just on calls with my team and it's incredible. We just crossed over 1,000 users on our platform, and what that means is that people are actively using MarketDash to double their portfolio. But nonetheless, by the end of today's video, you'll see why MarketDash's approach is revolutionizing how people invest. Here's how MarketDash is changing how people invest right now. This platform has helped investors double their portfolio by providing deep fundamental analysis that most investors completely overlook. While everyone else is obsessing over stock charts and technical patterns, MarketDash users are analyzing the actual business fundamentals that drive long-term returns. When you use MarketDash's fundamental analysis tools, you immediately tap into intelligence that was previously only available to Wall Street firms with multi-million-dollar research budgets. We're analyzing cash flow trends, return on invested capital, debt structures, and competitive positioning, the exact metrics that Warren Buffett and other legendary investors focus on. Now, if you're on this channel, I'd assume you're not just a casual investor, you're probably a very smart, ambitious person who takes wealth building seriously. This channel is for investors who understand that real returns come from understanding the underlying business, not just trading stock prices. The reason I say this is because I want to make it clear, the fundamental insights you get from MarketDash are unmatched. Nothing else out there gives you access to the level of business analysis we provide, specifically designed for serious investors who want to double their portfolios by focusing on what actually matters. We truly believe fundamental analysis is where the smart money is headed. We know exactly which fundamental metrics are most predictive of future returns, which metrics most investors completely miss, and which combinations of factors lead to the highest probability of success. In today's video, I want to break down exactly how and why you should move your investment strategy onto MarketDash's fundamental analysis platform. By the way, I want to make something very clear. The switch to MarketDash is dead simple. Other platforms make you figure out everything yourself, not MarketDash. Our incredible onboarding team has stripped away all the BS. You can literally get your account set up and your first fundamental analysis completed in under 5 minutes. We've cut out all the unnecessary steps that waste your time. And by the way, we have an in-house team of fundamental analysts that does all the heavy lifting. You don't need to be some accounting genius to understand financial statements. We translate complex business metrics into actionable insights that anyone can understand and act on immediately. So going back to the main point of this video, as an analyst who has access to data that no one else sees, I'm going to be giving you insider insights throughout this tutorial. I'll show you how to set up your MarketDash account, access our fundamental analysis tools, interpret the key business metrics, and implement our proven strategies to double your portfolio. As an existing investor, you've already done the hard work. You've built a portfolio and have investment experience. Now it's time to leverage MarketDash's fundamental analysis to double your results. So step number one is very simple. Set up your MarketDash account. This takes less than 5 minutes from start to finish. The website guides you through the sign up naturally, but just in case you want extra confirmation, here's the step-by-step. Click the blue sign up button, enter your email, and MarketDash will send you a confirmation code. Enter that code and voila, you're in. Then select the stock you want to look at. With MarketDash, you'll analyze the business fundamentals that actually drive long-term performance. Now, I want to make something clear. We have people using MarketDash who are managing $50 million portfolios, and some who are just starting with $5,000. We help investors at whatever stage they're at. Maybe you want a comprehensive analysis of your entire portfolio, or maybe you just want to deeply analyze one specific company you're considering investing in. In all honesty, we have some investors who only use MarketDash for cash flow analysis, and we have the most robust cash flow analysis system in the entire industry. I know it sounds crazy, but when you're trying to build wealth through investing, nothing matters more than understanding the true economics of the businesses that you own. Are they creating actual value or just appearing successful through accounting tricks? Are they allocating capital efficiently or wasting shareholder money? These fundamental questions are what separate the investors who double their money from those who lose it. So the first fundamental tool you want to access is to look at free cash flow. Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and virtually every other great investors focuses obsessively on cash flow because it's the lifeblood of any business. This breaks down where the money is actually coming from and where it's going, something most investors never bother to check. The SWOT analysis is a game changer. Most investors buy stocks without understanding the company's true competitive advantages. Our analyzer examines the pros and the cons of a specific company. Now let's talk about how to interpret the fundamental metrics MarketDash provides. Most investors see a wall of numbers in financial statements and have no idea what actually matters. We've simplified this by focusing on the metrics with the highest correlation to future returns. There are three primary metric categories you should focus on: profitability metrics, financial health metrics, and growth sustainability metrics. Within each category, MarketDash highlights the specific numbers that matter most for that particular business and industry. For example, in profitability metrics, we track gross margin trends, operating margin expansion, and return on invested capital. Our research shows that companies maintaining all three of these metrics in the top quartile of their industry outperform by an average of 63% over 5 years. In financial health metrics, we examine debt to EBITDA ratios, interest coverage, and free cash flow conversion. Companies with deteriorating trends in these metrics significantly underperform the market, regardless of how promising their growth stories sound. Step number 4 is to implement our proven fundamental-based strategies. Now that you understand the business metrics that matter, it's time to put this knowledge into action with investment approaches that the most successful MarketDash users employ. When you systematically implement each strategy, you create multiple leverage points that compound your growth and help you double your portfolio. Let's talk about the quality value matrix. This proprietary framework plots companies based on their business quality. I recently used this matrix when analyzing my entire portfolio. I discovered that 40% of my holdings were in low quality, high valuation quadrant, the worst possible place to be invested in. I systematically repositioned into companies in the high quality, low valuation quadrant, and the performance difference has been staggering. Next is, while most investors focus on price momentum, our research shows that fundamental momentum, improving business metrics, is far more predictive of future returns. This strategy identifies companies with accelerating improvements in the key metrics we track. One investor implemented this strategy exclusively for their growth portfolio allocation. They focused solely on companies showing improvements in operating margins, return on invested capital, and free cash flow conversion. Their portfolio outperformed the S&P 500 by 22 percentage points over the following year. During the market volatility last year, our users who focused on these fundamental compounders saw dramatically smaller drawdowns and quicker recoveries than the broader market. This approach isn't about avoiding downturns, it's about owning business so fundamentally strong that they recover and thrive regardless of market conditions. And there you have it. I've just given you the exact strategies you can use to double your portfolio with MarketDash's fundamental analysis. I hope you get a ton of value from these insider tactics. Keep your eyes on what we're doing, because we've got some major updates to our fundamental analysis tools coming in that I can tell you, quite frankly, no one else is expecting. Over 1,000 investors are already using MarketDash to transform their understanding of what they own. Many have messaged me saying it's completely changed how they evaluate investments. They'll never again buy a stock without understanding its fundamental business dynamics first. So if you want to find more about MarketDash's fundamental analysis tools and how we could help your specific situation, I'm actually going to leave a link in the description where you can get a 7-day free trial to try out MarketDash. For me, it was always incredibly important that when you're investing, you truly understand the businesses you own at a fundamental level. MarketDash gives you that insight without requiring you to become an accountant or financial analyst yourself. So once again, I'll leave a link in the description where you can speak to an actual human from our team. And by the way, even if you're just 1% interested in what we can do on the fundamental analysis side, just try it. There's no risk whatsoever. With that being said, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, I'm watching from afar and I'm rooting for you.